Hey everyone, Dave Cook working with Mark, and we are repainting some doors and trim in a house. So we are removing some Pella screen doors. These are a little bit different from some of the other ones. So these doors have screws that are on the bottom. See Mark taking one of the screws off on that side. You got two screws on the bottom edge. There's one in there. And then on the opposite side, there's another screw that is behind that seal. So once those screws are off, this one we already took off. You can see how far we had to take the screw out. This other one we didn't have to take off as much. You can still see it's in the socket pretty good. But once we were able to do that, the door lifted up and out. So he's taking this other screw out. We'll see if this one comes out maybe a little easier. We had to keep playing with the screw just to kind of unscrew it, test it, unscrew it, test it, because I didn't want to take the whole screw, or didn't want to take the whole screw out in case, like on that one, it's out about an inch and a half or so. So we want to keep it out in case it takes the whole assembly. So once he unscrews that part, and that part is where we painted it, so you can see how that one came out and that one pops off. And there's nothing on the top to hold it in. Some of the Pellas have screws on the top there and there to hold it in a track. Some of them have a screw this way, but these ones just had the screws on the bottom. I do not know the model number of these doors, otherwise I post it. But there's how you remove some older Pella large screen doors. These are 36 inches wide, so if that helps you at all. If you need to know if it's a Pella or not, look in the door and you'll see the little insignia, like, well, here's a whole thing. It says Pella right there. Some of them have just a big P. So if you got any other questions about removing doors prior to painting, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're gonna help you love the space you're in.